Hello guys, welcome to further tutorials. MCQ Protein Biochemistry. Question 1. Isoelectric point depends on A. Temperature, B. Net charge of amino acid, C. DNA, D. Water. They depend on option B. Net charge of amino acids. That's the correct one. Question 2. Protein solubility is lowest at A. pH of 7, high pH. That's when we're talking about high pH, now we're looking at greater than 7. Pi, that's isoelectric point. Low pH, that's less than 7. So protein solubility is lowest at isoelectric point. Now I want you to let me know your score at the end of this video. Write it in the comment section. I want to know your level in biochemistry. Is it beginner, intermediate, or even the strongest of them all? Question 3. Which interaction is strongest in proteins? A. Hydrogen bond, B. Ionic bond, C. Disulfide bond, D. Hydrophobic. The correct option is disulfide bond. Question 4. Urea denatures protein by A. Breaking peptide bonds, B. Oxidation, C. Disrupting hydrogen bonds, D. Reduction. The correct option is C. Disrupting hydrogen bonds. Number 5. SDS-PAGE. SDS simply means sodium diazoxide. PAGE is polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis. SDS-PAGE separates protein based on A. Charge, B. Size, that's molecular weight, C. Shape, D. pH. Correct option is B. Size, that's molecular weight. Number 6. Isoelectric focusing separates proteins by A. Charge or isoelectric point, B. Size, C. Shape, D. Density. Separates protein based on charge or isoelectric point. That's option A is the correct one. Question 7. Western blotting detects A. DNA, B. RNA, C. Proteins, D. Lipids. Western blotting is used for detection of protein. Blotting. Don't mind my GST. Which level forms alpha helix? A. Primary, B. Secondary, C. Tertiary, D. Quaternary. The level that forms the alpha helix, of course, I've said it countless times, is the word secondary structure or secondary level. Number 9. Protein structure is encoded by A. Lipids, B. DNA sequence, C. Carbohydrates, D. ATP. Protein structure is encoded by DNA sequence. Number 10. Collagen triple helix contains XY repeat, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, proline only. Which is the correct option? Collagen triple helix contain glycine XY repeats. Number 11. Hydroxylation of collagen requires A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin K. Hydroxylation of collagen requires vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Option B is the correct one. Number 12. Deficiency of what leads to scurvy, or deficiency leads to scurvy due to dash. A. Weak collagen, B. Weak DNA. Remember, we're still talking about vitamin C now. Deficiency of vitamin C leads to scurvy due to, is it weak collagen, weak DNA, weak lipids, or weak RNA? As a result of weak collagen, option A is the correct. Number 13. Elastin is a protein, provides A. Rigidity, B. Elasticity, C. Strength, D. Energy. Elastin provides elasticity. If you use that understanding, you're right. It's the correct one. Number 14. Which bond is not in tertiary structure? Is it hydrogen bond, B. Ionic bond, C, disulfide bond. D, peptide bond. Correct option is D, peptide bond. If you say it's peptide bond, you are very correct. Number 15. Protein aggregation causes. You know what I mean by protein aggregation? Yes. A, beta folding. B, diseases like Alzheimer's. C, faster metabolism. D, better enzyme activity. Protein aggregation causes diseases like what? Alzheimer's. Number 16. Which amino acid is most flexible? A, glycine. B, proline. C, valine. D, leucine. Of course, the correct option is glycine. Has the simplest structure, is easier, right? The R chain is just hydrogen, so it's the most flexible compared to proline, valine, and leucine. Number 17. Hydrophobic amino acids are found where? A, surface. B, interior of proteins. C, DNA. D, outside shells. They are not found on the surface. They are not found on the DNA. It's between outside cell and interior of proteins. The correct option is B, interior of proteins. Number 18. Heat denaturation affects A, primary. B, secondary and tertiary. C, DNA. D, RNA. Heat denaturation does not affect the primary structure of proteins. We've talked about it countless times. Neither does it affect the DNA or RNA. So we're looking at option B, secondary and tertiary. Number 19. Which technique determines protein structure? Which technique can we use in the determination of protein structure? Is it PCR, polymerase chain reaction, X-ray crystallography, gel electrophoresis, ELISA, that's enzyme linked immunosorbent assay? Which one can we use? It's not PCR. Can use PCR to determine protein structure. We can use gel electrophoresis in determination of protein structure. It's between B and D. The correct option is X-ray crystallography. Number 20. Quaternary structure is absent in. Quaternary structure is absent in. Is it hemoglobin? Is it myoglobin? Is it antibodies? Is it enzyme? The answer is not antibodies and it's not enzyme. It's between hemoglobin and myoglobin. So I want you to let me know in the comment section which you think is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. And let me know your score also in the comments. Bye for now.